How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a room in Planner 5D. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually head over to the 2D perspective. And from here, let's navigate through the build option. You want to click on rooms and you can then import the room that you want to add it. So in my case, I'm going to be adding this specific room right here. And of course, right after, you can adjust it accordingly depending on your preference. And right after, I'm just going to click on the hide wall function in order to hide the wall right here. Now that we have hidden the wall, once again, you can adjust it accordingly. Let's go ahead and adjust the actual flooring itself. So it will simply look something like this. And now right after, if you click on the 3D model, you can then go ahead and see the floor that we just added, or basically the room that we just added. So that's how easy it is to do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.